Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode is cool, amazing product right here. And basically what this is a shower filter that you guys can actually put onto your shower head. And that way you can actually filter out the water to make sure it's clean. So this is the AquaBliss SF100. If you can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like. If we turn it on the side right here, they tell you guys some of the facts that's on here. And then right here, they show you guys the different stages of filtering on the product. So this one is the 12 stage of filtering. There are some shower filters out there that does 15 stage of filtering. But for this one, they mentioned how you guys don't really need to do that 15 stage of filtering. With the technology and the things that they have inside this product, all you guys need is 12, and this 12 is supposed to be better and stronger than the 15 stage of filtering, which is pretty awesome. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what's actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they do provide you guys a sealing tape if you guys need to use that to prevent any kind of like leakage. And right here, they provide you guys a few of these extra tools and accessories if you guys need to replace it. Right here, they provide you guys one of the parts that you guys want to install onto your shower head or your shower area. And then right here, we have actual shower filter. Let's take it out. Alright, so here is actual shower filter. But inside the package right here, you can see that they also provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up as well. And that is basically everything that's included inside. So let's take this out and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. When you guys feed the material on here, it definitely is a high quality material. And inside the package, they do provide guys this as well. If you want to insert this on the top part here, just like that. But if you can see, this is basically what the product looks like, and they also have the logo right there as well. So basically, once you guys insert the product into your shower head or whatever, and then you guys insert the other part right here with the shower head handle. And basically what happens is that the water goes through right here, and it goes through the filtering stages right here, and it will come out much cleaner. But let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So here is the filtering, you can see right here. And the inside right here, this is the rubber thing that they give you guys 2 extra ones if you guys need to replace it. But basically once you guys set everything up, the water will go through right here and it does all the 12 stage of filtering, and it will come out clean right here in the bottom. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to let the water run through it first, so that way it actually cleans up any dirt or anything that's in here, because it does have the filtering option inside right here. Once you guys let the water pressure run through here, clean it for a few rounds, maybe 2 or 3 times to make sure it's fully clean and no more black stuff come out, then you should be ready to use the product. And for this product, it is universal, so you can use it for almost any type of shower head or shower in general. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let me show you guys how to install it, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. So you can definitely use this product if you guys want to right here. Otherwise, you can just insert this product onto your actual shower head right there. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. So before I actually put on the shower hose, I do want to use the white tape right here to seal up the actual product. Let me do that first. Alright, so you just want to seal up this part right here. So I'll probably use this much right here. Alright. So make sure it's tight right here, so that way none of the water can leak out. Alright, so that should be good. Now let's put on the actual shower head right here. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys install the shower filter and the actual shower head right here. Now let's test it out to see what actually works. Alright, so what we're doing now is to turn on the water first, and we're gonna let the water run through the filter right here first to make sure the water is clean. Alright, so you see the nasty water that's coming out. And the reason why that water is so nasty or dark, because the filter is brand new, so you need to let the water run through it a few times. So obviously you guys cannot tell that the water is clean immediately, but over time you can definitely see the benefit of it. And obviously it's not like super noticeable when you guys see the water right here, but when you guys are using the water to shower, you can definitely notice the difference. So you can see that is basically how you guys set up the shower filter. You can see it's pretty straightforward and very easy to install it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product, you can definitely see that it is really easy to install it. So obviously in the test you guys can't really see if the water is clean or if actually it's filtering anything. But when you guys are actually using the product to shower and everything, you can definitely notice a difference when you guys start using the product often. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these shower filters, I definitely would have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want or need one of these. And these are especially useful for people who have like dry skin, irritation, if you have eczema or you have dandruff. All this is actually beneficial for all of you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.